G'day folks, Adam from Ruslan Foundry here. Tonight we're filming in our paint booth, which as you can see is a cardboard box. Anyway, with a bit of an announcement. We have come into a collaboration with Talisman at Model Earth for casting the door handles and grab handles for our Glyn Valley and Tallylin coach ranges. So for our Glyn Valley Tramway coaches, we have these nice little curved handles with our little pegs. They come in a set of 4. The part number is 78-134. And for the door handles themselves, I'm using these little T-handles. They mightn't be totally prototypical, but I think they do the job. And these are 78-012. if you're wanting to look them up. For our Tallylin coach range, we've got these, which are straight but rounded grab handles with a nice little offset to them. The part number for those is 78-163. Inconveniently, they come in a set of 4, where you actually need 6 to do these coaches. And yet again, I'm using the same handles. I'll attempt to link to Talisman's website in the description. These are set up to be quite easy to produce. Here we have our Glyn Valley Open and Chili. As you can see, we've now got a nice grab handle and our nice little T handle on our opening door. That will want cutting off once the glue sets. So installation is very, very simple. Take a little bit of super gel. We have a hole in the door and we have 2 holes in the body. These holes may want cleaning out slightly. Then we take our T-handle and stick it through the door. I'm putting them horizontal on these coaches. I've got no logical answer as to why. I just am. And then we get a pair of side cutters, snip these off their sprue. And the same thing, there are holes ready to receive that handle. And there we go. That really sets them off. On the Tallylin coaches, I'll just fish one down. We've got 2 holes in the body, 1 hole in the door. Yet again, you'll want to check your clearances on those. This time I'll cut first. So we take our sprue, our cutters, put that to one side. Then I didn't have a second T-handle. As you can see, the rest of this coach has been fitted with its new handles. And I've mislaid the glue. Okay, found the glue. And same thing, we just put a little bit of super gel in our 3 little holes and offer the pegs on the handle up to the holes that are pre-made into these kits. This is quite fiddly and difficult to do while looking around a camera. Yet again, there's our hole. And on the Tallylin coaches, for whatever reason, I've decided to put the handles vertically. Yet again, no real science to that. So, and there we go. Now we have nice brass door handles that should be nice and robust for opening our doors. I am aware I need to do the instructional video for these coaches, so stay tuned for that one. As I said, I will attempt to link to the Model Earth talisman page in the description. These kits, at least my side of them, are available via our Facebook page or Etsy page. Yet again, I will link those in the description. Fairly short one for tonight, but thank you for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one.